Yeah, take it all. Ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it but can't. I know you far from the same, but I keep lying.
Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do different dribble moves in NBA Live Mobile. But before the video starts, can you please hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. I've been getting a lot of dislikes lately. I'll explain that in a whole nother video. But yeah, let's get straight into the first move. To do the spin move, all you want to do is just double tap the drive button while you're driving. Okay, the pullback move is just like the spin move, but instead of double tapping it while you're driving, double tap it when you're standing still. Okay guys, so how you do the pullback heavy is all you do is just pull back and immediately drive. Now we're starting to get into the harder move, so what you want to do is flick the move button and tap the drive button at the same time, and it's hard to do. And the last move is the hezzy. So how you do the hezzy is all you want to do is just flick the joystick towards the hand that the ball is in. That's it for today guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications to be notified every single time I post. Then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. If it's alright every